Hi friends, my name is Harshal Nikam. Today I demonstrate you how to customize a page layout in Salesforce Lightning. Okay, before starting my video, this is my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Salesforce Tutorial, and in this YouTube channel, you got of the various of related Salesforce videos. So you can also follow my channel. Okay, I click on this app launcher and I click on the view all. There is my custom object is present. Student management system. I click on it. In there, I click on student detail tab. Now I click on new. Okay, so there is of the custom fields are present in there. Okay, in this page layout, uh, like I want email ID in below the date of birth or address. Okay, I want to be address field in the at the last of this student of classes, and I want to be a website below the city. Okay, like that. So with the help of the page layout, we can be arranging our the field and link in our this object. Okay, so now we can be arranging our the field in the page layout. So I click on this setup, but setup. I click on the setup and I click on the object manager. In quick find box, I search student detail. So this is student detail object. I click on it. In this student detail, I click on the page layout. There is already present of this student detail of layout. I click on it. In the student detail of page layout, there are some of this field, button, quick action, mobile and lightning action, expand lookup. There are some of the options are already present in there. Okay. So this is our the custom fields. We can be arrange it with the help of the page layout. So I want a mobile number field below the gender. Okay. I want the address field at the last of the student of classes. Okay. Now I want to be a mobile number is up to date of birth. Okay. Now I want to be a need of some of the sections like of the contact detail of sections and the address of sections like that. So I select a section and I drag and drop below the address. Okay, and I give the name is student address. And I give the layouts like of the two columns, one columns. So I select two columns and I select of the tab key order of this top down. Okay, I click on OK. Now this my section is created now. Student address. In this student address, I want some of the fields. So in this section of the information, so I want of this student address. Student address. Okay, there is a address. I click and drag and drop, and I want of this city pick list, and I want of this state pick list. In student address, I want also country pick list in student address. Okay. Similarly, I want of this classes and the tuition fees different of sections. So I also create of the one section below the student address and I give the name of this student classes with tuition fee. I click on OK. So in their of section, I put some of this student of the classes drag and drop in it. Okay, and I select one another of this tuition fee. That time we can arrange of the fields, and we can also create of some more section in it. Okay, so with the page, with the help of the page layout, we can be arrange our this field link in there. Okay, I click on the save, and I click on it, student detail, and click on refresh button. Now I click on new. So now you can be see that first name, middle name, last name, email ID. Okay, there are some modifier arranged in it, like of the student address, student of classes. Okay, if we want of the some of this like of read only or like of this required field, so you can be also do with page layout. Okay, I click on the page layout and I click on student detail. Okay, and there are some option. There is first name. I click on this set prospectus. Okay, and if I want to be a read only, so I click on it. Okay, I want to record, so I click on it. Okay, there is already a required. So I want to be a email or gender is required. So I click this checkbox and click on OK. So this field is required. Okay, so the red sign is show the this is a required field. If I didn't want to be student subject, okay, so I click on the minus or remove. Okay, so this field are the rollback at this layout properties. Okay, if I want to be a again back to this student subject, so I click and drag and drop in this information of this layout. Okay, so this type we can be a work with page layout. Okay, so I click on the save. Now I click on it and I click on this record. So this type all they are visible in there. Okay, so if I click on this student address, so they also minimize. Okay, so that type all we can be customize our the page layout. Okay, or we can be also edit it. If I click on the edit, okay, there is some of this show like that. Okay, so thank you.